Reynaxis Solutions.
Hi, I'm Glenn of Reynaxis Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. On this episode of Reynaxis Solutions, I have a retro golden pocket and FOV watches, full double hunter mechanical pocket watch. I bought it from Lazada. Check the screen for the seller. I'm flashing it right now, and I'm going to post the link of the seller in the description box below. I'm actually a fan of old watches in general, but this is the first time that I own a mechanical watch. Actually, I've been meaning to buy a mechanical pocket watch in my younger days, but I guess I didn't have the chance to do that. Anyway, the length of this chain is around 35 centimeters. If one is concerned about the length of this chain, I can say that it's enough to make an impression that it's totally sufficient to prevent the watch from accidentally falling onto the floor. This is still brand new and I haven't worn it yet. And let me just remove the plastic cover that protects it from scratches. There you go. Let's also remove the plastic from the other side. Like any other pocket watches, the way to open the covers is that you need to press the button on top of the crown. While majority of pocket watches have a minimal cover, like one or no cover at all, this pocket watch has two covers. Interesting. The outer layer of the cover is shiny and it will probably collect a lot of fingerprints when you touch it with your oily fingers. And apparently, the inner part of the cover is deliberately etched with markings. This is maybe to prevent the surface from reflecting the image of the watch to prevent visual distractions. I guess it's harder to check the time with that mirage image appearing on the cover. The overall diameter of this watch is around 48 millimeter. It's not too large. I prefer to have a diameter of more than 50, but there's nothing we can do about it. The dial diameter is around 39 millimeter. The height from the top of the crown down to the base is around 62.1 millimeter. This is technically a 24-hour pocket watch. You can see the power reserve in its mainspring there on that side. The cover is made of acrylic, so it's easy to get scratched. Since the mainspring is visible, it's easy to tell if the watch needs winding. If the gaps in the spring have become wider, then it's time to wind the watch through its protruding key at the top of it. To wind the watch, lightly hold on the crown and turn it clockwise. You will feel a gradual increase in the resistance every time you turn the crown. This is because the mainspring is getting tightened. There's a limit to the number of turns that you can do to a crown. The max limit is around 15 to 20 turns. To adjust the time, we should pull the crown upward. This will enable you to change the positions of the hand. After setting the time, press the crown downwards to place the crown in its lock position. This will prevent us from accidentally adjusting the time while we're holding the watch or while we are in motion. This is a Timegrapher test. This machine is specifically designed to read the health status of a mechanical watch. There, as you can see, this mechanical pocket watch is only gaining 2 seconds per day, which is an excellent attribute for a mechanical pocket watch. Now let's compare its physical size with my other wristwatches. Okay, the way you wear this pocket watch is that the clip at the other end of the chain needs to be under the belt. Okay, let's just put the pocket watch in the pocket that is for pocket watch. Place the chain under the belt and the clip should be holding on to the belt. That's it. That's how easy it is to wear a pocket watch. Alright guys, this is it. I hope you find this video useful. If you do find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.